I'm about to eat a giant Norwegian king crab. And some people say it's the best crab in the world. We'll pluck it straight from the sea. Oh, here it is. Whoa. And cook it minutes later. Oh, I'm bathing in it, king crab. But what makes this crab so good? That has to be one of the greatest single bites you can take of anything in your mouth. And could Norwegian king crab really be the best on earth? Along with king crab, we're gonna try our luck fishing. God. Oh, I'm excited. What's gonna be at the end of this?
30 meters deep.
30 meters deep, okay.
Need some minutes.
30 meters deep, let's see what emerges. Oh, here it is. Wow. Whoa. Look at all the crabs.
I think it's enough, huh? Swim home.
Okay. Whoa. The pot is full of king crabs. Oh, it's huge.
This will be your lunch.
Yes.
The first, what we are always looking for is the size. From the back to the front, 13 centimeters. But my hand is 15, so it's more.
Okay. Whoa.
It's a load.
Okay.
Next, we look under the crab. This triangle shape. That means it's a male.
Oh, okay.
It's a boy. It's a load to catch.
Okay.
Female, they have a semicircle like my hand, and we will lift the side, it's full of eggs, but here no eggs, it must be a male.
All right.
But here where we are now, east from the North Cape in Norway, for us with the tourist license, we are not allowed for catch or kill the females.
Okay.
When we catch a female, we give her a kiss and carefully back.
Okay.
He is very female friendly.
Okay, great.
But the guys are in danger, so take care.
Okay.
Like that. And we cut these gills away.
Okay.
While the gills taste like wet, salty toilet paper.
Okay.
Don't ask me why I know that.
Don't eat the gills. Oh,
And this is actually
half.
what we eat. The shoulder part,
Okay.
the legs, and the claws.
All right.
Only the best part of the crab.
Yeah, those huge legs and claws.
With us, do
Okay.
the same on the other side.
Oh, and because this is male too, you don't get the roe, right? Yeah, this is just, you want those legs, the body section.
I want only the best.
Boom.
I will show you how we boil them.
Let's go to the kitchen. Okay. Oh, in the kitchen here.
So we have only 5 centimeter water in our pot, not even more.
Okay.
And the only thing what I do different to what I do at home. At home for myself, I use seawater.
Oh, okay.
But here in a restaurant, I can't do that, while the European Union saying the seawater is pollution.
Oh, okay.
So I have to use fresh water, and we add a little bit sea salt.
Okay.
For 5 liters fresh water, we need 11.5 gram sea salt.
All right.
And we put our king crabs inside, like that.
Okay.
Lock on top.
All right.
The most important thing, away. The
All right.
cascade.
Oh, I can smell the crab. Oh, the freshness. That steam smells amazing. Oh, I'm bathing in it. Bathing in the king crab. Oh yeah, that smells so good. And in approximately 17 minutes, we'll be ready to eat.
Yoo-hoo!
Yes. Wow, that steam smells incredible now. Ooh. Oh, look at that orange color. Bright orange.
Yes.
Oh, that smells unbelievable.
Well,
Yes.
on.
Wow.
Ready. With a leg. And the legs are all similar. The only difference you find is left and right. We have 2 marks on this leg, and the lower mark is our mark. And accurate here, I cut with the scissors the shoulder part away.
Okay.
Step 1. Next step, step 2, we take this big angle, break it complete opposite.
Oh, like a chicken wing.
Yes, when we separate this, you see here these strings. Don't cut it with the scissors, and here the strings in the meat is never-ending chewing gum.
Okay.
Don't do that. Next, I go to the tip and break this tip complete over. We pull it out, you see here these strings. And the tip is only horn. There's nothing in to eat. You can put it in your pocket as a souvenir, or you give it in the rubbish. It's
Like
on
that.
you. So now we start opening. I start always with the big piece. And with the scissor, which side we start doesn't matter. Well, we cut it all the way. Turn around, do the same opposite side. Yep. And when we open it,
The reveal.
it looks like a fillet. Both sides is empty shells, right?
Pure
Rubbish.
crab nugget.
Yes. With the scissor, cut all the way.
That side, open it up. Oh, splash, okay. Lift up the lid, and again, revealing the perfect nugget. It's so incredible. It's never been so easy to just lift out an entire leg of crab. It slides out of the shell. Okay, now we have an entire thigh of crab. Okay, now the Norwegian way. So you take a piece of the bread, white bread, okay, then you take butter. So we'll add some butter to the bread. Then you put the crab. Oh, look at the crab. It just completely takes up overwhelms the entire piece of bread. Then mayonnaise goes on. We'll do a swipe of mayonnaise. Oh, a blob of mayonnaise. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And then one more ingredient, a squeeze of lemon to combine it all together. Okay, and this is the Norwegian way. It's like a Norwegian crab roll.